Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO Reno 8T, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which I no longer use because using this tool you can damage your USB charging port. And then, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. So to brush it out, just insert one part of the brush into the connector and just brush the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.